I'll be showing you how do we use a fiskars paper trimmer. Most probably I guess all trimmers are same, but that's just of a different brand, and that's a very fantastic one. So that's a blade that goes up and down, and now this thing is open, but if I want to lock it I have to move it towards my right, and you hear a sound that way. So now it's locked, and it can then too it can move, but the flap that opens, that's now closed, and if you want to open it you have to just move it towards your left, and then it's open. Alright, so I'll be showing you how do we actually use it. So I have a rough sheet of paper that has a crooked edge, so I want to make that edge as all the three edges are. So I'll be keeping it open for the time being, because then I'll have problem opening it again and again. So I just have it over here this way. I am taking any dimensions, but you can take your own dimensions you want. That's just a rough work. So I'll be just placing it like that, and I'm not locking it because then I have problems. And then I'll have to just take this blade downwards, and then when I open I have this thing cut over here, and I have a finely trimmed edge. Sorry, again I'll be showing you with a long piece of paper, the same piece but the long edge. Make sure that you always take this from down to up, because then you'll have problems using it. So I'm just taking it over here, and I just take this over here, and then I have a long edge cut. So that's how we cut a paper, and here I have this. Now I'll also be showing you that how do we score with this thing. So again I take that paper, and with the help of a bone folder I'll be showing you this, and you can see when you have it, you'll be seeing a deep line over here that is not actually used for scoring, but you can use it for scoring if you may wish to. So I'll be taking this paper like this, and the blade shouldn't be in between any of these lines. So I'll just take this, and any dimension I'm keeping, and I'm just scoring this line with the help of a bone folder. So as you can see, there's a deep line over here, and when I fold, I even don't need to fold it with a bone folder again, but then also I'm doing it, and how it's finely it has again a fine edge and a very nicely scored paper, you can see over here. Now I also have the refill blades for this trimmer, because once if this blade has got blunt, then you'll have to buy another. So I've already got it in advance. So if you want to remove it, and you have to change the blade, so what you have to do is take the blade at the most bottom of the trimmer, and here you'll find a slight touch, and then you'll just have to pull it up, and it come out. You can see it has a fine sharp edge over here, with which you have to be very, very careful. So I just put it over here, and the same thing, you have to take it and remove it. Sorry. And it even has an extra edge blade, a ruler for measuring any extra dimensions or sorts of things. Now I'll be showing you how do we just trim. Also, it can also trim a bordered paper. That's how it is. So I'll take it over here with a very fine edge if you want a strip of border. So I'll take it over here, a little bit down, and then I just take the blade down, and I have this fine border cut. So you can see how useful this blade is for any sorts of your use, and you can use it for your projects, card makings, and many sorts of things. I recommend you to buy this. It's a very worth it product. Thanks for watching, and I hope so you're inspired by this.